You got a burger?
No, a pulled pork and lettuce and tomato.
Who in the hell eats lettuce and tomato on a pulled pork sandwich? Sounds great. I've never heard that before. Got my lettuce. What I'm looking for. Thank you. I'll be smoking butts tonight. My pecan. Just got a new shipment of pecan wood in. You said wood. Even with this AC. So let me see what I can do here. You got another shitty glove up there, right? Nikki, happy birthday, Nikki! Happy birthday, Nikki! Right! Happy 4th! Happy subs! 20! Always right. When's our Sunday, buddy? We're gonna be. I'm off this Sunday. Let's do it, bro. Let's go to Jacksonville. I'll take Jax to Jacksonville. What do you think? That's all right. They got hotels and swimming pools. Oh, thank you. Ooh, thank you, baby Jesus, for this salt that you have provided. Can you I put salt on my list for sure. Thank you. Gotta turn that down. You're gonna kill me.
Yeah, because
that's copyright.
That's Madonna. So.
Yeah, Madonna. I think.
But I'll sing it to you. I'm not Madonna.
Go ahead, you're good. Whenever you're good. You can take pretty much, you know, I'll get this knocked out. Go ahead and take them. Okay?
That's her.
Excellent.
She said I did. She'll write your check.
Excellent. Sounds great. Thank you.
Were you on? I'll be right back.
Make sure I can fit this better.
Okay, you got 2 cheeseburgers right now.
No problem.
You're almost probably a double cheeseburger.
They paying for a single. I mean, you could probably charge 2 meals as it, but
Yeah, but they're not going to be chicken for nothing. So.
I'm gonna tell them whatever I feel like telling them.
Did we keep up a number or anything? Or?
What's that? Yeah, we need to. Yeah, we need to. But I mean, there's a minimum that I got. Right. Thank you for the 20-piece spicy again, brother. Thank you, guys. Just lettuce on the first one, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Eddie?
And she's loving him with that body, I just know it. I wanted to tell you that there's that other Polish. Well, you'll know how many by how many brownies you're giving away, right?
Yeah.
You're giving away one with each, right?
Yeah.
Cheeseburger.
I didn't count it.
Well, you know there's 24 per pack.
Is there? Okay. Jamie?
All right, easy money. That's a hell of a deal. Have this brought to you, cooked for you. Shit. Here you go. No lettuce, no tomato on either one of these? All right. Wait, you got both of those, right?
Yep.
Right.
I just was saving that.
No problem.
Pork.
My memory.
Pork sandwich, hot dog, or you gotta call the guys that are on the job site.
Nice. Wrap them so they don't. It's nice to be in our own truck. So they don't want.
You put it over here, or you gonna put them up over there?
What's that?
These two
You can put them
cheeseburgers.
over there. It's fine. That'll work. Oh wait, I'm sorry.
Oh,
Give me that
I was
shit.
gonna do it. I was multitasking.
Can I get one of them there lemonades? I get.
I don't know how I'll close it up though.
It's not white. Yeah.
I just added, I got some in the freezer. But I pull it out and they're freezing in the freezer. Once it starts to slush. But yeah, I just put some in there.
That is so good. How's everybody doing? Easy money, guys. They're ready, I guess.
Right there, baby.
Pretty boy, she's waiting there for you. Glizzy. Glizzy, glizzy, double duty. Double glizzy action, baby.
Four cheeseburgers. One pork.
for the family on this day after the holiday. Thank you guys. No problem. Let's do it. Let's get it done. What up, Craiger? Where you at? Where you hiding, Craig? What up, Michael? My main man. All right. You got that. You got that. Is it?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you can get his out.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it this.
Walk along with me. Reminds me of just how it used to be. Man, this sweat tee's coming in handy. Handy on the sweat tee. That nice sear. A beautiful sear.
I got one cheeseburger.
3 more, yep. To love her.
Everything's out there. I'll put the lettuce and tomato on back here. Yep, and a clear lemonade. Cheeseburger and 2 corn.
No problem.
Yeah, that's fine. She said she just had a baby. I said, she got enough.
Gotta keep her down, you know. I had to trap her. To remind me. All right, what do you got now?
You got another burger with lettuce and tomato and 2 barbecue.
All right, so all of these are with lettuce and tomato. You can go ahead and put them on there for me, okay? So you got 3, 4, right, that you need?
I got one already, so this is next. I already got one backed up.
No problem.
Oh wait, yeah, I do need this for the next order.
Yeah, and then 2 barbecues, right?
Yeah.
Great. Yeah, no, you're right, C-Dub. It's very hot. I couldn't breathe yesterday. Ooh, it was a tough go. Awesome. Great job, Pam. Thank you. And then here's these 3, and then they're done. I got these fries. Excellent. Did you salt these? I'm just going to salt. Okay. There's one. Fold it and forget it. There's that.